There are those who can hit the targets that no one else can hit. The experts. Then there are yet those who can hit the targets that no one else can see. The visionaries. For it is vision that sets apart the journeys of high-impact organizations that create a better future, towards which the Indian people's aspirations have soared. They seek spaces that blend functionality with beauty. As the new India takes shape, at the leading edge of its creation is a billion-dollar organization, the Aparna Group, an inspirational Indian corporate known for its dynamic, high-impact companies that redefine the key sectors of building materials, real estate and construction, entertainment and leisure, and the manufacturing of APIs for the pharma industry. The founding enterprise, Aparna Enterprises Limited, or AEL, brings the finest building materials, well-known brands, and world-class expertise to discerning Indian consumers. It has grown into a name that builders, architects, institutions, and homeowners trust.
Aparna Group has always identified emerging trends early and established dominance through innovation, quality, and consistency. The increasingly well-traveled and well-informed Indian customers want building materials and home solutions that reflect sophistication, durability, as well as sustainability.
AEL offers 9 brands across India and is the gold standard for home solutions. Its stable of premium lifestyle brands is spearheaded by Vitero Tiles, sold through over 750 touchpoints countrywide. They are the last word in elegance and modernity. The company's brands of high-performance windows, doors, and fixtures boost the feel-good factor of any space and the perceived value of any project. When it comes to premium home design and building solutions, AEL is redefining the customer experience with category-defining retail spaces, the best brands for bathware and kitchens, and bespoke end-to-end services for new builds or renovations. It is one of India's largest ready-mix concrete manufacturers, trusted by leading builders and the best infrastructure companies. It also offers premium outdoor and facade solutions, making it a complete partner for customers, consultants, contractors, and architects. AEL manufactures products with the latest technologies. From automated production lines to precision-driven product development.
The group entered tile manufacturing early, anticipating demand from large-scale complexes. We organized the RMC sector before it was corporatized. We pioneered multi-tower housing before it became an urban norm, became the #1 UPVC window manufacturer before the trend peaked.
Aparna Constructions rules the real estate space in key growth hubs of India. APMS brings care and commitment to every detail. Because it's never just about property. It's about families, the lives, and the feeling of belonging. Aparna Constructions has created holistic weekend destinations and has redefined leisure for the elite long before these became the norm. All around the world, health and beauty are in focus. A group company that is performing well in this high-growth sector is Aparna Pharmaceuticals, a leading manufacturer of high-quality active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and advanced drug intermediates for global pharmaceutical and cosmetic giants with a focus on strong customer partnerships. As India grows, so does the group. The future holds exciting possibilities, expansion into new markets, tie-ups with global giants, even greater sustainability initiatives, scaling up to meet the huge demand.
At Aparna Group, our culture is built on foresight, innovation, quality and efficiency. That foundation puts us in a strong position to lead in a nation on the move. The trust we carry today has been earned over the decades, and with that trust comes responsibility to drive sustainable growth and to help shape the future with clarity, discipline and leadership.
The group is always a step ahead, not merely keeping pace with change, but driving it. Every project, every product, every innovation is a step towards a better world. One where construction is smarter, products are superior, and designs are timeless. However, building a better future is also about people. The group is committed to the prosperity and well-being of all its partners, dealers, distributors, employees, and customers, creating a softer, more vibrant society. It has built a home for orphan children. Here, they are supported until they graduate, ensuring a strong, nurturing foundation for the young minds who represent the nation's future. Because true success is measured not only by what we build, but by the lives we uplift. Behind this multifaceted journey is a man who saw the future before it arrived, a man who believed that India deserved world-class spaces.
We do our business with hands-on and with passion. Proudly, I would say this is the brand created certain mark in the construction industry. In the similar way, Aparna Enterprises is the company created certain mark in the industry as a building manufacturing giant. See, our every investor, banker talks good about the company, good about the people, good about the culture. And our customers, majorly I would say the customers who bought homes, they are very happy. We never compete the volumes. We compete ourselves to deliver the best product to my client. That's my motto. I am very committed to this business. I am delivering the communities their dreams. That's why I say this Aparna has been a respected brand in the industry. We have good succession. Aparna Reddy, Ashwin Reddy and Rakesh Reddy, they are the people coming forward. We have come to a company where the stage is being recognized entire pan India and globally also.
As the organization moves forward, its mission remains to envision and lead the future, to sense, feel, and fulfill aspirations before they are commonly expressed. Surely, Aparna Group is more than a corporation. It is a movement towards a better, stronger, more beautiful India. Aparna, lead the future.